Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to search for videos in your Prime Video account. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now, we're simply gonna focus on how to search for movies. At the top in the nav bar, right next to my stuff, you will find a magnifying glass button right here that is search. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. Just search for any movie you want. I'm gonna type something right here, and as you can see, these are the relevant search results. I'm simply gonna hit on enter, and guys, that's it. That's how you search for videos in Amazon Prime Video. Do you know that you can also filter the genre, video quality, content type, and this right here. That's it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.